thermodynamic lab and to carry out valve friction tests. The objective of this experiment is to investigate the relationship and determine the coefficient of friction between valve and leaf, flat and V-shaped valve.
So this is the flat valve. It should be hung over here. Alright. So first of all, we're gonna set the weight of 10 Newton around here at the end of the flat valve. Right. Before that, right, we have two gaps. The wide gap and the narrow gap. The wide gap is for the flat valve, while the narrow gap is for the V-shaped valve. This is the V-shaped valve, which is going to substitute the flat valve later on. After hanging 10 Newton, we are going to set the, before that, we're going to set the degrees at 60 degrees. This is the nylon string, which is going to hang the can of wick, and we are going to try to obtain the constant velocity throughout the experiment.
We will add some weight into the can, and we will add slowly the weight and pull softly into the can so that no extra force will be exerted. And then we will add the weight until the pulley rotates with a constant velocity. And then we will weight these loops using a balance. So, and then we will record the weights. And then we will repeat the same experiment with different angle, which is 90, 120, 150, 180 and 210.
Replacing the flat valve with the V-shaped valve, and then we remain the 10 Newton here, and then we change back the angle to the 60 degree, and then 90 degree, 112, 150, 180, and then 210.
Throughout the experiment, we found out some errors which occur in this experiment. For example, for the last two readings for the V-shaped valve, for the 210 and 180 degree, the weight we got is more than 1 kg, which eventually will get a negative result for the tensions and the ratio. So that's the error which occurred. Why is it occur? Because look at this V-shaped valve. There are some dust and dirt on it, which will increase the frictions of the valve. Then we need to take some precaution steps during this experiment. For example, is when we add weight into this can, we need to put it slowly to avoid external force which exert on the valve. Then we need to add some small pieces of the weight in order to increase the accuracy of the valve. That's all.